Welcome to Lindström Laundry and Production Facilities. Before we move any further, we want to go over some safety and security topics with you. The safety of our employees and the people visiting our facilities is our highest priority. Before entering, ensure that you are wearing the appropriate safety gear, instructed by your host. Usually this includes hair nets and visitor coats, beard covers and face masks, as well as shoe covers. Our task in the laundry and production facilities is to deliver hygienic textiles to our customers. Thus, eating and drinking is not allowed inside the facilities. You can enjoy snack or even have a short break in the cafeteria area. Smoking is allowed only in the designated areas outside of the facilities. Ask your host for more information. While walking around, please pay close attention to the work areas. For your and others' safety, stay with the group and follow only the route guided by your host. Although the work we do may look easy, please do not touch or attempt to operate unfamiliar machinery without proper training and authorization. In the event of an emergency, follow your host to the nearest safety zone outside of the facility. Connect with your host also when you need any medical assistance or first aid, and they will guide you forward. Always ask for permission if you want to take photographs. It is also good form to ask the people visible in the pictures for their approval before publishing. To ensure the privacy and confidentiality of our customers, we ask that you do not capture anything with customer information visible on them. If you notice an issue or an area for improvement, please use our audit management tool to submit a safety observation or inform the host. Thank you for your attention. By following these simple guidelines, we can ensure a safe, secure, and productive environment for everyone. Welcome to Lindström.